Hi everyone, I am Ayushi Jain, proprietor CS Ayushi J and Associates. Let's have quick insight into July week 2 updates. The first category is notifications, that is postnatal publications made by the government. Let's start with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. MCA has extended the time limit for filing Form NFRA 2 for the reporting period financial year 2018-19, which will now be 270 days from date of deployment of form on the website of NFRA. White Circular Number 26/2020, dated July 6, 2020. Reserve Bank of India updates. RBI has extended timeline for finalization of audited accounts for NBFCs. It is now within 3 months from the date as notified by SEBI for submission of financial results by listed entities. And SEBI has notified July 31, 2020 as the last date for the financial results. So NBFC can now submit their financial results with RBI till October 31, 2020. Now move on to Security Exchange and Board of India. SEBI has amended the International Financial Services Center Guidelines 2015. In this, the market regulator SEBI has amended Clause 4.1 of SEBI IFSC Guidelines, which deals with the eligibility and shareholding limit for stock exchanges who are desirous of operating in IFSC. It will provide that any Indian recognized stock exchange or any stock exchange of foreign jurisdiction may form a subsidiary to provide the services of stock exchanges in IFSC. White Circular dated July 9, 2020. The next category is some draft rules and acts as published for comments, that is antenatal publications by the government. The first category is Ministry of Labour and Employment. Ministry of Labour and Employment notified draft rules for Code on Wages 2019 for inviting objections or suggestions within 45 days. You can submit your suggestions in this regard to Shri M.A. Khan, Deputy Director, and Srimati Rachna Bolimira, Assistant Director, Government of India, Ministry of Labour and Employment, within 45 days from the date of publication, which is July 8, 2020. Second one is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The last date for comments on decriminalization of compoundable offences under the Limited Liability Partnership Act has been extended by MCA up to 19 July 2020. So the background for coming up with this act is greater ease for doing business for law-abiding LLPs and declogging of criminal justice system. You can access the draft rules by this link provided on the screen. The last category is useful information. Now, MCA has updated the contact number of help desk from July 17, 2020. Also, the company name availability and company incorporation queries would be asked from CRC MCA by help desk number given on the screen with extension number, or you can also drop an email at crc.escalation@mca.gov.in. And for queries related to company or LLP e-filings, payments, or view public documents, you can refer to the number given on the screen or drop an email at app.helpdesk@mca.gov.in. So this is all about the last week 2 of July. You can refer all the links that is provided in the presentation in the disclaimer in the description box below. Thank you for your patient listening.